Hello. Very good evening to everybody. Guys, am I audible? Just confirm me. Yes, I'm audible. Huh? Perfect. Perfect. Yes, Vinit. Perfect. Your answer, your question is what is the best place to polish coding skills? Okay. So there are different platforms. You can go with the Hacker Rank. You can go with the Hacker Earth. Okay. Yes, you can go ahead with it. Okay, perfect. And the way that I have discussed with you. Okay, what level of difficulty problem should be solved? Okay, the problem of difficulty should be, see, difficulty level of problem you can start with the medium. If you're from non-IT, you just go with the easy first of all. The reason behind it is what you can, if you directly started solving questions from medium or hard phase, okay, if you're from non-IT, and if you try to solve that particular thing, okay, it should not be happen you're losing your interest. Yes, I'm just telling in general. Okay, this same question might be from non-IT skills as well. Okay, so that is I'm mentioning purposely. Okay, if you're from IT, that is you're well and good to go with the medium as well as hard skills ke saath. Okay, you can go ahead with it. See, from being IT, and if you could not able to solve that particular sections, first guys, see, some people are those they are from IT, but they could not able to code it properly. Okay, it may be happen. So for that reason, what you can do, if you're good at a coding, directly go with their platforms and try to solve it over there. Okay, give multiple attempts. And afterwards, if you are not that much good at a coding side, okay, just do one thing. The way we have set up some sort of things, guys. Okay, that same way you just make your own setup. Okay, try to understand that particular question more clearly and try to attempt it with your own test cases. Okay, and that will be more best thing. Okay, to make a practice work. Perfect. No, yes, Aftab, in yesterday's question, okay, we see first constraint, that is n value, okay, should be less than, okay, perfect, perfect, some sort of a 10,000 some around, okay. So if we pass the value greater than that, then return empty or none. Aftab, if you remember, we had created one test case for the same, and in that particular one, we have put it some sort of huge number. Okay, that means out of that particular range. So that time we were putting wrong input करके. Remember that wrong input, and from question itself they have given one of the test case. Have you recollect that particular thing, Aftab? but in say some cases they don't. Where actually? Okay, just a second. Huh? After, but every test case is actually yeah. Can you just mention that particular test case after? Okay, I got one query from I'm from mechanical. How I could build my basic? Okay, for building your basic, Abhishek, you can start doing your own test cases, the scenarios. Okay, first of all, don't go with directly that test cases and everything. First of all, you just try to code it. What is the expected one and what is your output? Okay, the expected output. Suppose if you're going with any one of the code over there, let us say if you're going with one code over question over there, okay, and what is their expected output that they have mentioned, what they're expecting something, okay, and you can put it over there. Just try to code it for initial stage. For initial stage, suppose if you are getting only that one test ka output, that is more than sufficient. Then try to make it a more efficient one. Okay, that means other test cases as well. Please try to work on that particular. Okay, and step by step you just move ahead of it. Perfect. Yes, they mentioned that in some test cases they don't. See, whenever they are not mentioning some sort of things, that time you should see if we have to consider those constraints. That time they have mentioned something. See, generally what Aftab they mentioning over there. Suppose if you are out of range, if you are out of that constraint, that time they are mentioning one thing. For invalid input, print -1 or else print 1. That kind of concept may be over there. Okay, and they're putting up all those things. Okay. Yes, Tanmay Adhav is asking one thing. Okay. Sir, for choosing language, I'm confused between C++ and Python. So how could I decide which language I should use? Okay. So Tanmay, up till now, whatever your experience is with respect to any programming language, let us say if you have best experience with the Python, and if you haven't that work with C++, let us say, so you just go ahead with this Python language, ke sir. And if you have worked with both the language, okay, then I will recommend you go with the Python. The reason behind it is what the code which you will do in a Python, that will be more simplex manner as compared to C++ or Java. Okay, perfect. And there are certain ready-made things. That means you have list over there. Okay, so you can put up multiple data over there. That means any kind of data you can put over there. Okay, perfect. So if you have choice with respect to C++, Python, Java, Python, I will simply recommend you go with the Python guys over there. That is my experience. Okay, perfect. Okay, now sir, I was trying a sum in which I passed 16. Okay, test cases. Perfect, perfect. So after we'll discuss on those particular questions as well. Okay, perfect. Shraddha is asking one question, sir. When I add CPH extension, click create problem, I get message unsupported file extension. Okay. Okay, so Shraddha, which project you were creating? Can I get to know which project actually means which file you were working with it? Okay, .py file only, na? And it should not face any kind of issues actually. Okay. Uh, but we have to see. Shraddha. Okay. Shraddha, you are from which batch? Can I get to know? A batch in the sense from which college and technical side or only FP? because I think I haven't go through with it. Okay, perfect. So Aftab is saying thought the two test cases may be large number. Okay, okay. Yeah, sure, sure, Aftab. If you get that to the sum, please share it. Okay. Chega, sir. Yeah, perfect, Ayush. We are Ayush. We can start with the session as well, but initial way I'm just going with. I missed previous lectures due to network issue. Yeah, maybe Nidhi. Yes, definitely. I think you have missed some sort of things over there. Chalega. Okay, perfect. Then my okay, it's the same. Can you previous slides? Yeah, Manishri, actually, I have removed that particular things. Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing my email ID over there. Just a second, guys. Yes. Chale. So, guys, over here, we will start with the session now. Okay. I hope, guys, that question, the answers I have given you, some of you. Okay. Okay, perfect. Sure. Now, guys, we will go ahead with this particular one. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Just give me one moment. Yes, guys. See over here. Now we will go with the question over here. The question this was asked in 20th March 21, slot 3. Okay, they have asked in the DCA. Okay, digital capability assessment. The question is, guys. Okay, just a second. Let me start my annotations. I hope, guys, the screen is visible properly for everybody. चलेगा? Given a string, the task is to convert each letter to ASCII and take XOR encryption. Okay, XOR encryption, guys, that we have to take. Okay, then we need as much as we can able to do. Okay, and afterwards, for all the resulting numbers, hint. Okay, they have given some sort of hint also over there. There are two numbers: A equals to 3, B equals to 4. Binary representation of 3 is 00 0 1 1, and 4 is 1 0 0. So XOR of the same bit is 0 for all the opposite is 1. Okay, perfect. If it is given number 3A4, where A is XOR symbol, which gives us this particular one. Okay, whose decimal value will be 7. Perfect, guys. So basically, guys, what we need to have over here, okay, we have two numbers. Let us say 3. So 3 ka representation is 0 1 1. Okay, that we all know very well. 4 ka binary representation is 1 0 0 over there. Perfect. So XOR of the same bits is 0 over there. Okay, chalega. For the opposite bits, it's 1. In the given example, 3A4 that we have. Okay, 3A4 we have some sort of paper. A is an XOR symbol. That A is nothing but what? XOR symbol. Will gives us 1 1 1 over there. Okay, perfect. So whose decimal value, guys, if you convert this particular thing into decimal, you will get a 7 over there. Okay, chalega. We'll see this. Now, assume that the input word quart. Okay, quart is there. So guys, given a string over there, na, Q ka ASCII value is 81, W ka ASCII value is 119. Okay, value of E is 10, 1 over there. Okay, value of R is 114. ASCII value of T is 116. So if you go ahead with this particular things, guys, okay, what you will get? You will get a 69 some sort of way. Okay, perfect. That is XOR value of it. XOR value of this particular one is a 69 that you will get it. Okay, perfect. Now we will go with some sort of in case. If QWERTY is there, then 69 will be there. If ABC is there, you will get a 96. Perfect. Shall we will see guys how it is. The example 2 input word is ABC. The ASCII value as A is 97. Okay, B is 98 and C is 99. Okay. So XOR of ASCII values 97, 98 and 99 is 96 over there. Perfect. Chalo guys. So we have to consider these particular things now. Chalo. So basically guys, what we should do over here? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody help me out guys? What should I do over here? Okay. Convert number into the binary. Perfect. Okay. Aftab is saying find ASCII of all letters, then do XOR over. Okay. Find ASCII value, then convert to binary and then XOR. Okay, perfect, perfect. Use word function, okay, to get ASCII value, okay, and then do XOR over there. Okay, use ORD for ASCII over there. Okay, perfect. Uh, Muskan is saying ASCII for all numbers, then XOR. Okay, ORD function, ORD. Okay, that everybody is saying ORD over there. Chalega. So guys, depend on this particular things, what we will do, we will simply create a test cases for the same. Okay, Chalega. So I'm just opening my things. Okay, code4.py over there. Okay, Chalega. We'll create this particular things. Perfect. We will have query. Okay, this answer will be 69. We'll go with the ABC. Okay, its answer will be 96. Perfect. Chalega. We have some sort of things guys over here. Now basically what we need to do guys, we need to take a XOR of this. Okay, we will take a XOR of this and then we will work. Perfect. Chale. We'll check it out guys, what we should do. If we go ahead with these three things, the test cases are getting failed. Okay, perfect guys, because over here we haven't put nothing. Chalega. So basically guys, what I will do, I will take a data equals to input. Okay, we can take an input of this particular things. Once we take input guys, if we print this particular data, we will just check it out whether we are getting it or not. Perfect. Yes, we are getting guys ABC over there and QWERTY over there also. Chalega. Now guys over here, what we will do, what we should do actually. Yes. Can we use XOR operator directly to calculate resultant value? Yeah, we can use that particular thing. But before that, Yogita, we have to create or we have to have ASCII value of this as well. Okay, store ASCII value of this particular thing in a list. Okay, using for loop. Okay, perfect. Guys, should I have that particular things? Okay, let us say, guys, what we will do, what we can do with it, guys. First of all, I will tell you. Okay, if you use ORD, data. Okay, data ka guys, let us say 0 index. Okay, if we take this particular things and if you run it all, okay guys, we are getting what? See, 97, okay, and 81 over. Perfect. So guys, see, 97, it is a XOR of A. That is perfect. And then afterwards, if you go ahead with this particular things, so 81 is a ASCII, so XOR of me, A ka ASCII value is a 97, and for Q guys, it is 81. Perfect that we are getting. Chalega. Now guys, over here, what we should do? See, over here, what exactly? 81 XOR, then W ka ASCII value, then next value, then next value. Okay. Not required to convert it into the list over there. Perfect, Sarod. Yes, it is in a string, na? It is in a string. So what we can do, we can simply iterate over it as well. Am I right? So what I will do basically, perfect, Saloni, whatever your answer, that is a right one over there. Okay, so basically, guys, what we will do, we will put up some sort of uh, things over there. Okay, for I in a range of, okay, we'll start from where? We should start from 0th index value. So let us say, guys, if I start from 0, okay, and if I go up to the length of Akshay, actually, this has been already taught in a training sessions. Okay, I'm just going with over here implementation of this. Okay, perfect. So if you want to go with it, okay, you can have a search for the same as. Okay, copy. Perfect. Now, guys, over here, suppose if I go ahead with these things and if I print data, okay, okay, let us say, guys, if I'm working with these things, what I'm getting all these particular. Okay, perfect. I'm getting all these particular scenarios. But will it perfect? Okay, Aftab is saying instead of using this particular range के साथ ना, okay, don't go with the range. Directly go with the data. चलेगा. I'll go with the directly data over there. Data के साथ I'll go with the I. But no, yesterday I told you na, data element that we will take it out. Okay, and this data element we will put it over here. Okay, so if I go ahead with this, I'm getting output over here. It's perfect. Sure. Now over here, what we will do, we will find out the ORD of this. Okay, ORD of this particular character. Perfect. If I run this particular thing, guys, I'm getting all this particular things. Now it should get XOR with somebody, na? Perfect. So guys, for that reason, what we should do? Okay. I'll put up one thing, answer equals to 0, let us say. Answer equals to 0. Okay, and then afterwards answer. Okay. So guys, can I go ahead with this particular thing? XOR equals to over here. Can I go ahead with this particular things? Yes, Pramod. Aftab. Can we go ahead with this particular thing? Milin, it is before you're utilizing these answers over there. Basically, I'll tell you guys what we are doing actually over here. We are using answer equals to answer. Okay, then afterwards ORD, that is, let us say ASCII ASCII value. Perfect. Now you are utilizing these particular things. Okay, so it means you have to declare the something, or else it will give you an error. Okay, if it is a 0, then it will be perfect values over there. No, why you are putting empty list? That I did not understood yet. Okay, if you're working with this particular scenarios, okay, don't go with the list over there, na? Yeah. Okay, perfect, perfect. Milit, you got it, na? Perfect. Yeah, just a second, After. Yes, perfect. You have spotted right things over there. Okay, you have spotted right things over there. Perfect. So guys, see over here. Now, if I try to work with this particular things, okay, if I try to work with this particular things, okay, let us say print answer over there. Okay, if I go ahead with this, and let us say if I run this particular all things, guys. Okay, what we are getting? We are getting all the answers are right. Perfect. Sure. So we are what we are getting expected answer is 69. Okay, that things we are getting perfect over there. So basically, what is happening, guys? Okay, over here, Aftab has put it one thing. We should not go with the zero over there. Okay, we should not go with the zero over there. Initial level के ऊपर we have to go with whom? Okay, we have to go with the first value of this data. Data का that is a string का zeroth index. I'll talk it with respect to zeroth index. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So that will be the best option to work with these things. Okay, so guys over here if you could able to see, okay, तो फिर आफ्ताब इसके लिए तो फिर मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Over here I need to go with what? Range के साथ ही जाना रहेगा ना? Range. Yes, Saloni. Perfect. 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 Chalega. So basically, guys, what we should do over here, okay, we should go with the data. Okay, the reason behind it is, guys, for that reason, see, I'm not going with respect to what XOR means actually over there. Okay, so that XOR you can just identify over there, but due to it is XOR, okay, we are going with this particular scenario. Okay, now afterwards, I have to go with the range. Okay, range which is starting from 1. Okay, because zeroth index already we have utilized somewhere, guys. Okay, now data length over there. Chalega. Over here, guys, we will create a I. Okay, that is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then afterwards, guys, ORD, that is a data ka index value we will get it, which is starting from one cell. But now, guys, if you try to work, not this particular one here. Okay, if you try to work with this particular things, what we are getting, guys, we are getting add int over there. Okay, that is str. Then afterwards, okay, basically what happened? Unsupported operand type for this particular one, str and int. Okay, so guys, basically what is happening over here? Str and int. I'll put it up over here as str. Okay, answer over here. Na? That answer is what? It is str. Okay, over here that we are going to get. Na? Here I need to put as a str. Perfect. चलेगा. This is also not working. Okay, just a second. Then I have to go with what? Answer this things. Perfect. Sure. If I run this for the things, I have to get just a second. Just remove this thing. क्या बात है. Nice. Unsupported operand type. We are taking it to str over there. Okay, perfect. It should not give us that. Okay, over here, ORD, I haven't put it. Perfect, perfect. I haven't put it ORD over there. Correct. Now it is working fine. Perfect. Correct. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Now, guys, it is right. Okay. Now, suppose if you remove these particular things and if you put up this thing, that is a shorthand. If you have put it, okay, then to you will get a right answer over there. So, guys, my mistake was this ORD. Okay. So, answer should have the ASCII value of first character over there, na? And that we have put it. Perfect. Chalega. Yes. 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 Everybody is right over there. Perfect. Saurabh Joshi from YouTube, he has also put it right answer over there. Okay. Then afterwards, perfect Saurabh, right. During initialization, right. Perfect. Mayur Kadam, perfect over there. Chalega. So, yes, I can share this with the code with you all as well. Okay, just a second. Okay. So in for loop, why we have started iterating from one? Okay, for what reason we have started iterating from one? So the main the reason behind it is what we have put one value over here, na? So वो क्या हो जाएगा if you have started from zero? So this value is going to be XOR with that same value over there. Okay, which we do not want. Perfect. Yes, for that reason. Yes, Ashutosh, your answer is also right somewhere. Okay, but you have used two for loops over there, if I'm not wrong. Okay, perfect. So, guys, I'm just sharing this particular code with you all. Okay, yeah, perfect. Go ahead with this particular case. I hope, guys, this particular things is understandable at your end. Okay, and same way you have created a test cases also over here. Okay, and you are solving at your end also. Yes, perfect, perfect, Ashna. Right. So, guys, everybody understood? Yes. Perfect, Ritu. Perfect. Okay, you people can't copy code. Okay, I guess the permission is not given for copy. Okay. I do not know. Maybe it is. Yes, you people could not able to copy it down. Huh? Okay. Okay. Abar is saying we can copy, sir. Okay. So guys, make sure you could able to copy it or not. Okay. Okay. For YouTube people, I'm giving this particular code. Okay. Just take it down, guys. Just make sure, guys, whether not able to YouTube link session. Okay. You want YouTube link session? Just take it down over here. Okay. Okay, if you people are not able to copy, na, okay, not able to copy. Okay, perfect. So do one thing, guys. Try to use Google Lens. Just try to use Google Lens. Okay. I hope that will be you. Okay, it's Umber. Yeah, perfect. Or else take a screenshot for the same. Perfect. Yes, it's Umber. Umber. Okay, Umber says, okay, we could able to copy. I do not know why how Umber copied that things. Okay, chalega. So, guys, over here we're done with this question. So, I don't think so, guys. Anybody is having some sort of doubt or any kind of issues. Perfect. Sure. Now, guys, we will go with the next question. Okay, very quickly we will go with the next question, guys. Over here. Perfect. So, what they have mentioned, guys. Slot 2, question 2 over there, 20th March 2021. Perfect. So, we'll go with this particular things. First of all, we'll try to understand. In house, there is a ladder that has 11 steps. Perfect. Every step is assigned a number from 0, sorry, from 1 to 10 over there. The user has to start from the lowest step from each step. The user can hope a maximum number of steps at the end at the time of steps at the time of according to the given number. on the steps. Perfect guys. क्या बोला है उसने? The user can hope a maximum number of steps at the time according to the given number of steps. Okay, perfect. The task is to find out minimum number of hopes. Okay, user can take to reach the end of ladder. Perfect. If steps are assigned in the following numbers 1, 3, 5, 3, 8, 2, 6, 7, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. Then user will hope from the first step to second step because he or she is permitted to hope only one step over. Perfect. From the second step, user has the chance to hope maximum of 3 steps directly. Okay. So user has the option to choose step with the number 3 or 8 over there. Okay, number 3 or 8 over there. If number 8 is chosen, then end stair end stair 9 can be reached, so that 1, 3, 8, 9. 1, 3, 8, and then afterwards 9 over there. They have given some sort of. Hence, the minimum hopes are 3 required to reach the ladder over there. Perfect case. So basically, guys, over here, see, just see over here what they have mentioned. So 0 to 10 that they have put at total 11. 0 to 10, that is total 11 steps are given. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 3, 8, 2, 6, 7, 6, 8, 9. Okay, something they have given. So we will just go through it and output is nothing but guys 3 over there. Okay, let us see how it is 3. So the reason behind it is guys, see, okay, yes, previous question you people are discussing. Chalega, guys. So over here, guys, see over here what they have mentioned. If steps are assigned with the following numbers, okay, then user will hope from first step to second step because she is permitted only one step. Okay, from second step, user can have chance to hope maximum 3 steps over there. Perfect. So basically, what happened, guys? Okay, chalo, we will have discussions over here, guys. The question ka answer, question ka explanation, what it says, I will tell you. I'll tell you guys, huh? How I actually did this question is 1, 3, 5, 3, 8, 2, 6, 7, 6, 8, and 9 over there. Perfect. Chalega. So guys, basically what happened, user is allowed to step from one se leke, this one step is allowed. Perfect. Okay, 1 to 3 over here, then it is getting perfect. Now guys, user can shift 3 steps over there because over here it is getting 3 over there, na? Perfect. So it is what, one step, so ye one step jump kiya. Okay, afterwards guys, it has 3, so 1, 2, 3 over here. Perfect. Sure. So we will have next explanation, guys. From second step, user has chance to hope maximum 3 steps directly. Maximum 3 steps directly, guys. Since we have 3 over there. Perfect. So user has option to choose the step of number 3 or 8 over. Perfect. Now, guys, over here we have 3. Okay, so we got 8 over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there. Chalega. If number 8 is chosen, then the end of string is stair is 9 over there. Okay, can we reach towards this particular one? Okay, guys, matlab kya ho jayega, guys, easily 1, 3. Okay, then afterwards 8 over there. After having 8, guys, wo kya ho jayega, the next step will be what, 9 over there. Iska next step kya ho jayega, 8 ka next step is what, 9, because over there they have mentioned. Then user will hope from first step. Okay, and guys, maximum number of steps at a time. from each step, the user can hope maximum number of steps at a time of according to the given number on that particular steps. Okay, मतलब guys कैसे हो जाएगा? Over here what they have mentioned 1 and then 3. Perfect. 1 and 3 is given 1 से लेके. So guys, one if it is starting from this particular one, so its number is 1. So maximum number of move, that maximum number of hope it can do, that is what 1 over there. So next number is what 3, and 3 is written on that particular step. Since 3 is written on that particular steps, guys, what it can do, the maximum number of steps at a time according to the given number on that particular steps के. तो अभी यहाँ पे कितना नंबर दिया अपने पास 3 दिया है. So it will move towards the 1, 2, 3 over there. Perfect. It will go up to 3 over there. Perfect. And that is what 8 over there. Perfect. अब ये 8 आ गया. Now guys, what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But guys, 8 ending में तो अपने पास आ रहा है ना. So what their explanation for the next one? Okay. So user has option to choose the steps with the numbers or 3 or 8 over there. If 8 is chosen, then end stair 9 can be reached. So over there. Okay. So end जो भी क्वेश्चन अपने पास है ना guys, that can be reached over there. Perfect. That can be reached over there. So 9 step हम लोग जा सकते हैं ना. Sorry, इधर से हम लोग कितने स्टेप जा सकते हैं? Over here 8 step we can move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is in a range, guys. It is a reachable over there. Perfect. So guys, have you understood this particular question? Yes, it will vary according to this input, guys. Perfect. Pranjal, right? Then afterwards, Aftab is saying if 1, then we have to just step 1. If 3 have, then we have to go with the next 3 numbers ke saath. Perfect. Perfect, Aftab. We have to go with that particular scenario. Okay. So have you understood? Everybody? Okay, yes. Now why output is 3 over there? Yes, Divakar. Perfect. Because see over here, output 3 is over there because the minimum of the hope are 3 required to reach this particular ladder. Okay. Matlab, how many number of hope required? So 1, 2, and 3 that we can consider. Na? So this 3 over there. Yeah, Usha, I can explain you that particular last step also. Okay. So the reason behind it is what, guys? Basically what they have mentioned. जो भी स्टेप के ऊपर आप आ जाओगे एंड वहां पे जो भी कुछ नंबर लिखा है उतने नंबर ऑफ आप लोग होप कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट अस से इनिशियल पे 1 था, इसके लिए हम लोग 1 स्टेप होप किया. ओके, आफ्टर होपिंग 1 स्टेप we got 3 number written on that particular step, so we can maximum hope 3 over there. Okay, and we have hope for the 3, that is 8 over there. Perfect. आफ्टर 8 हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? 8 होप्स कर सकते हैं, बराबर है. बट व्हाइल होपिंग 8, okay, what we get in between 9 over there. That means it is reachable, and what we have numbers from 1 to 10 over there that they have given, and it is what 9 is what it is the end of this particular one, end of stairs. Perfect. So अपने पास ये हो जाएगा. तो बेसिकली होप कैसे हो गया? 1, 3, 8 and then afterwards 9 over there, since it is end of that given numbers to show. Okay, perfect. So what we will call it as, guys, over here. So total hope कितने हो गए अपने पास? 3 hope हो गए ना to reach this particular one. Got it? Not that minimum step, Priya. Over here that we have a minimum of 3 hopes are required to reach end of the ladder. आपको ladder के इसमें move होने के लिए कितना hope चाहिए? स्नेक एंड लैडर का पता है ना कंसेप्ट, किस तरह कैसे जाता है. ओके, दैट सेम कंसेप्ट ओवर हियर वी हैव. परफेक्ट. Okay, then 5 also option to hope after 3. How, Ayushi? 5 is also an option hope after 3. नहीं आयुषी देखो, simple fundamental. I am explaining one more thing. See guys, over here what they have mentioned clearly. See, look at this particular part. In house There is a ladder that has 11 steps. Every step is assigned with the number from 1 to 10. A user has to start from the lowest step. Okay, lowest step से आपको जाना है. Okay, और हम लोग ने क्या बोला 1 to 10 उसके पास कुछ numbers. Perfect. From each step, okay, the user has to hope minimum number of steps at the time according to the number given on that particular step. So let us say अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 0 से सॉरी 1 से कुछ स्टार्ट किया, so 1 के बाद afterwards I got 3 over there. तो अभी मुझे बात बोलो कि according to this particular statement what I'm going to do, 1, okay, तो फिर 1 होप ही करूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. Afterwards what I will do, I will hope for 1, 2, 3 over there. Okay, so what we have 5, 3 and 8 over here. Perfect. 8 we over. Got it? Ayushi, Pramod is saying, sir, I think it is like if 3 comes, then we have to choose between next 3 numbers. Yes, Pramod, we have to do that particular things only. With the numbers or 3 or 8 over there. So maximum you will choose now. You will have 2 options now. You can go ahead with the minimum number, that is a 3 over there, or else you can go with the 8 over there. Akshar. So over here, what we will do, we will go for the 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But in between you get what? That is end of this particular one. That is a 9. Perfect. But that is a wrong answer, na, then, Paras. If you choose that things, okay, that may be a possibilities over there. That may be possibilities, but that possibilities won't be successful because we have to go with what? Minimum of hope. Minimum hope के साथ जाना है. Got it? We don't have to go with the maximum. Oh, that may be one of the option. Okay, that may be one of the combinations that you can achieve over there, but that should not be minimum one, or that is not going to be a minimum over there. Got it, Paras? Perfect. So guys, up till now we have discussed first slide only. Okay, we will go with the next slide के साथ for more clarifications. Okay, perfect. Okay, hard coded values के बाद में कुछ बोला है, the return program candidate. Okay, perfect. Then afterwards size of an array equals to guys 11 over there. Okay, they have given fixed size. The constant is what guys? 1 to 10. The values inside that particular a will be what? 1 to 10 का कुछ रहेगा guys. Okay, not more than that. So they have given this kind of things over. चलेगा. So what we should do guys over? Can anybody help me out for the same? How we should start with this particular thing? Okay, perfect. Accept a list. Okay. Then afterwards, what we can do over there? Predefine size in equals to 9. Okay. Perfect. Aditya, you are also right that we have to go with the nested for loop. चलेगा चलो. First we have to go with the for loop के अंदर for loop जाना पड़ेगा. Okay. Using dictionary. Okay, Himani, using dictionary, if we try to work with it, not required actually. What reason? Okay, to map hope and values. Okay, to map hope and values के साथ. Okay, using dictionary also you can try it. Okay, but I'm not pretty sure if you go ahead with the dictionary. That means you wanted to say, this is what one. Okay, this is what the number given. This is a 2 and this is a number given that it is a 3. Okay, 3 number given is a 5. That you wanted to say, Himani? Okay. Yes, we can try with this particular things as well. Okay, so that whatever the things we will just jump it over there and we can have this. But over here, if we see now, we don't require 1, 2, 3 sum. Where do we require this 1, 2, 3? Okay, I'll just go through it this way. Okay, continue till okay. Yes, anybody? Okay. Swarup is saying range from 0 to 11 जाएंगे हम लोग. Okay, then afterwards data that position range over there. Then an iterate बोल रहे कुछ तो. Okay, perfect. Okay, for loop. Okay, perfect. Hook count. Okay, every iterations over there that people are saying. Okay, so iterate for loop. Okay, चलेगा. Then afterwards Sarun is saying okay length of ARR minus okay जो भी कुछ है अपने पास. Okay, perfect. चलेगा. We will try to work with this particular scenarios. Okay. Okay. चलेगा. So guys, over here we will try to work with it. Okay, and as Himani says, we will try to work with the dictionary also if we could able to go with that. Okay, चलेगा. So I'll go with what code 5.py. Okay, चलो. Just let us see guys over here what we can. So over here guys, I need to have some sort of test cases also. So test cases I will simply put forward. So guys, can anybody give me their custom test cases? Can anybody give me guys custom test case? After, can you give me your custom test case or anybody so that we can try with that things as well? Okay, 2, that is 1. Then afterwards, Saloni, in this particular one, okay, see guys, over here we have not this particular one. Okay, अभी मेरे पास यहाँ पे तकलीफ है. Okay, I'll just go through it once. Okay, just a second. Salonika test case is what? 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. So guys, what should be the output for same test case? Can anybody tell me? Just think of. Meanwhile, I'll go with the different another test case. 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8 over there. Okay, perfect. Now afterwards, Mayank has put it one more test case, that is 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, and 7 over there. Perfect. चलेगा. Over here we have. So guys, what about this Salonika test case? Yes, first of all, we will think with respect to this particular one. So see what we have: 2, 3, 1, 1. So basically what we will do, we will go with this things. Okay, that is minimum se start karna hai na guys. Okay, so what we should do, yes Saloni, yes, first step is zeroth one, this particular one. Okay, that we will consider. Yes Saloni, perfect, we will consider these things. So this is a one, then afterwards one step it will go. Okay, over here they have written one step. Okay, that is this end of this, so we will get a two some sort of way. Okay, perfect, we are getting some sort of way two over there. So in that particular case you will go with this particular. Chale. What about yes Aftab, we can go ahead with this other things, then too we will get a same answer na. If you go ahead with this second case, third case, okay, let us say 1 2 3, that is the maximum, let us say. Okay, then what, 1 2 and 3 again, that is the end of this. Okay, Milind and everybody, cause 3 hope. How it come 3 hope guys over here? Okay, if you could able to see 1, then afterwards 1, and then afterwards 4. Okay, that we got. Okay, Aftab, I will take this particular thing as well. Just a second. I'll just take this particular one as a your input as well. Okay, perfect. We will have this particular things. Just a second. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 8, 4, 6 over there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 8, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 8, 4, 6 over. Perfect. And guys, output is 4 that Aftab says. Chalega. So guys, we will first of all go with this particular things as well. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 8, 4, 6. 6, 4, 8, 4, 6 over there. Perfect. Chalega. So if you go ahead with this particular things, guys, okay, we got 1, 2 over there. We will get this particular things. Okay. And afterwards 2 over there. Okay. Perfect. Then afterwards, guys, if you go ahead with these things, then 1, 2 over there. That means 4 over there. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. चलेगा वो अपने पास 6 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So guys, if you could able to see, we will have 4 hope over here, right? Perfect. Yes, Muskan. If it is that particular one, then we will go with what, 3 hopes. But why we are starting with the 2 over there? I did not understand. We should start from a minimum of this, na? Okay, then afterwards 2 to 1 hope, but see, we have to start from minimum. Say then guys, just okay. Chalo, everybody guys, we will look at this particular things. Okay, just a second. I'll go with the question one more time. Okay, just allow me for one moment, please. Okay. So guys, what they have mentioned in house, there is a ladder that has 11 steps. Every step is assigned with the number 0 selected enter. The user has to start from the lowest step. Now guys, see over here. Okay. now you just see one thing, guys, over here. Okay, we will just have a discussions over this. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, likewise, guys, we have some sort of index value. But in test case, guys, what they have mentioned 1 over there. Okay, 3 over there. Okay, then afterwards 5 over there. Then afterwards they have mentioned 3. Then afterwards 8, and so forth, guys. Okay, I'm not talking with regards to other one. Now what they have mentioned, guys, the user has to start from the lowest step. What does it mean? Can anybody help me out, guys, with respect to these things? Can anybody help me out? Lowest step in the sense first step or value written on the particular step, guys. What we should consider? Okay, there are, guys, now two different conditions are going. Okay, two different conditions. People are saying value. Okay, and other people are saying lowest step in the sense whichever the lowest step, that is index values. Okay, other people are talking about the index. So who is right, guys? Can anybody help me out with respect to this? Okay, so everybody is talking about the index, guys. Okay, some people are talking about the values, guys. Now there is a controversy. Okay, so questions look like, guys, very easy. Okay, question look like very easy, but this particular problem will give you trouble over there. What exactly we should work with it? Okay, value index, everybody's put it same thing over. Chalega. So guys, what we will do? Okay, what we will do, we will try to generate this particular things. Okay, I'm just giving you this particular code as well, guys. Okay, I'm not giving you code exactly, I'm giving you just test cases over there. So everybody please put up over there. Okay, just a second. Okay, so guys, can anybody tell me, if we have to go with the index, for what reason we have to go with the index, and for what reason we have to go with the value? Can you put a justification over there? The question is in front of you itself. Okay, question is in front of. Okay, I'm just walking through, guys, comments over there. Okay, there are multiple comments. Okay, yes. Mehtab Ali, you are also right. Perfect. Chalega. Just a second. Huh? Himani says lowest step is a 0 and 0 is assigned value 1. Perfect, Himani. Okay, she has put it like nice thing to put it. Okay, Saloni has put it some sort of thing. Saloni is saying, looking at example given, if we go by value, then only we will fetch the required output. Okay, then only we fetch the required output result. Okay, we have to increase the index by value. Yes, Pranjal, you are also right. Okay, perfect. Uh, it is said lowest step, not lowest number on step. Perfect, Siddesh. Perfect. Lowest step indicates index over there. Perfect. Yes. Then afterwards, Akshay is saying some sort of thing. Okay, we can't start with it directly like 8 step. We have to start from bottom only. No, yes, right. Okay, Shubham Jadhav is talking with respect to iterate according to the value. Okay, Ruchika Singh is talking about index because it says lowest step, not lowest value assigned. Perfect. We should go with the index values by climbing. Okay, perfect. Chalega. Okay. So guys, everybody has put it right answer over there. It is the lowest step of ladder. Okay, Aishwarya is putting index if we consider value. Okay. So the question just stated that we have to start from the lowest step. Whenever we climb the ladder, first step, okay, perfect, to take the first value. Okay, then afterwards we have to go to the second one. Perfect. Yes, we over here we are talking with respect to step. So step in the sense, guys, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accordingly, guys. Okay, not bulky ये values के साथ हम लोग को जाना है. Okay, we don't have to go with the values. We have to go with the indexes, guys. Okay, we have to go with the index. So whenever we will climb, guys, that time what we will get a lowest one. Okay, perfect. चलेगा. We have to go to according to values, but start from zeroth index. Yes, Aftab. Yes, Aftab. That is right. So at initial stage, we have to go with the zeroth kesa. Okay, that is indexes kesa. Okay, but later on, depend upon this particular value, your index next index will get matter over. Perfect. So guys, everybody understood? We have to start with the index value, but see, at initial stage, zeroth index will be there. उसका value अपने पास 1 रहेगा. So what we have to do? We have to jump towards the 1 index. Now over here we have 3. So we have to what? 1, 2, 3 values हम लोग को jump करना है. Got it? Everybody agree with this particular things, guys? So first iteration, you have to do with what? First index values. चलेगा. So according to this, if we try to work with the Saloni's the answer, okay, so Saloni what she says, we have 2, 3, 1, 1 and 4 over there. Perfect. So guys, what she says, ki, as per the logic, this is what zeroth index. Perfect. So it has option to go with 1, 2 over there. Perfect. Over here we have. Now, here onwards, it will jump towards this particular things. Okay, and you will get this thing. So 2, 1, 1, 4 over there. Okay, so answer is 3 over there. Not exactly 2 over there. The answer should be 3. Okay, perfect. So that we will put it over there. Perfect, guys. Yes, Ishmit. Yes, Ishmit, we will just go with that your queries as well. Just a second. Just allow me for a moment, please. So, people from YouTube, have you understood? Everybody, YouTube people. Anuj, na beta. See, over here what happened? 2. See, first index का वैल्यू अपने पास ये है. So first lowest step के साथ जाना है हमको. Okay, we don't know ना कहाँ पे जाना है. So whenever you will climb one step, that time you could able to understand कि okay next jump मुझे कहाँ पे मारना है. Okay, cause इसका वैल्यू अपने पास क्या है? 2 वैल्यू है. So we will go with 1 and 2. 2 जंप यहाँ पे. फिर अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि ओके नहीं अभी मुझे 1 जंप ही करना है. ओके, so that 1 jump किया हम लोग ने, then afterwards again वो 1 jump करेगा and this is the end of it. Okay. Yes, Anuj, have you understood now? No, we cannot take values as a test case के लिए. Okay, just a second. Just a second. I will Pranay, I will put up that particular things also. Okay, we'll just check it out with respect to constraint. See, constraint that they have mentioned, you can put up maximum values 10 over there, not more than that. Okay, got it? Yes, constraint everybody understood? Yes, perfect, perfect. Shalika, everybody understood this. Chalo. Now guys, according to this, if we try to work with the another things, okay, chalo. Guys, what I will do, I'll just go through with these three things, okay. 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8 guys. So what should be the answer, guys? Can anybody help me out with respect to these things? Okay, so we'll go with these three things. 3. Okay, so 3 jump. 1, 2, 3 over there. Okay, then afterwards we have to go with the 7 jump. Okay, but in 7 jump के लिए अपना ending आ जाता है. So 3, 7. Okay, so guys, what we should go with? Then afterwards 8 over there. Perfect. ना Saloni, it is 2, 3, 3, 7 and then लास्ट का डिजिट हम लोग को लिखना ही है ना इसके पास. लास्ट का डिजिट हैज टू बी ओवर देयर. Got it? Perfect. चलेगा. All custom test cases are wrong because array should be 11 size. Okay, 11 numbers. Yes, Bhavin, that is perfect. We can go ahead with that with things. We are generating. Yet I haven't finalized anything over here. Yes, Bhavin. Over here I haven't finalized anything कि हम लोग को यही टेस्ट केस के साथ जाना है. Got it? Okay, Aman Gupta is talking, sir. You are going very slow. Okay, please be fast. Okay, it's a request. Okay, Aman, if you want me to go fast, I can go ahead with that two things. But over here, some confusion with respect to this particular question. Okay, at the time of creating test cases. If you are good to go with that particular things, you can put up a to increase the speed. You can definitely put up your input as well. Okay, as a custom test cases. Have you contributed somewhere, Aman Gupta? Yes, Aman Gupta from YouTube. Have you contributed with respect to any test cases? If it is yes, please let me know that things also. Okay, chalega. Perfect. Now, guys, we will go with some sort of test cases over here. Okay, chalega. We will go with this particular next test case over here. Chalega. So, guys, over here, see what we should put it over here. 2, right? Yes, we'll put it over there. 2. Chalega. Now, guys, we will see 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, and 7. Okay. Yes, that we have over here. Perfect. Now guys, see over here. First is what 1. Okay, 1 jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is last one. So 1, 4, 7. Over here, answer should be what? Yes. Answer should be 2, 2. Siley, answer should be 2 over there. Perfect. Sure. Zara, because see over here, first step is 4 over there, right? Yeah, 1, 4, 7. Right. Perfect. 1, 4, and 7 over there. Na? So how many hope? This has to be done over there. 1 and 2 hope are there. Na? Yes, Sarah. Perfect. Chalega. Now guys, I'm just clearing this particular one out. Okay, then afterwards we have okay. Aman, sorry, who has put it this particular things? Aftab. Aftab has put it 1, 4. Okay, then afterwards we have to go with the sorry 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 8, 4, 6 over. Perfect, guys. chalega. Now we will go with some sort of things. One, okay, one step. Over here we have second step. Okay, that means this particular one, and we will go with 1, 2, 3. That means the last step. So 1, 2, 2, 4, and 6 over there. So if you could able to see, guys, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 hopes are required, guys, and the answer is right. Perfect. Chalega. So everybody understood these things, guys. I hope everybody understood these things over here. Chalega. Now, guys, over here we will go with some sort of constraint now. The constraint array size equals to what? What they have mentioned, guys. Has to be equals to 11. Perfect. So it means, guys, whatever the answer, whatever the values that you are going to put up over there, that has to be 11 over there. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Understood, guys? The constraint which is given over here, size of an array equals to 11. So that is the reason, guys, whatever the things we were discussing over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 over there. Okay. With respect to first test is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So whatever the things which we have to put it over there, guys, all the things we have to put with respect to 11 over there. Okay. I hope, guys, you people understood these things. Chalega? Now, over here, guys, we will try to work with these particular scenarios. Okay. And whoever, guys, that put it this particular things, okay, just try to revamp these things. Just try to revamp these things. Okay. Please try to revamp. Okay. Sure. Now I'm not revamping these things, guys. Okay. You can put up your own things as well. Okay, that this particular one has put it by Saloni. This particular one put it as someone else. Okay, the last one I know very well, guys. This is put it by the Aftab. Okay, yes, Aftab, have you understood perfectly? Yes, perfect, perfect. Chalega, guys. So according to this, okay, we will first of all try to generate output for this particular one. Then afterwards we will revamp these things over. Okay, Chalega. We will revamp those particular test cases as. Perfect. So can anybody help me out, guys? What we should do first of all? So guys, people from YouTube, have you understood question very clearly? Guys, each and everything step by step I have explained you properly that I feel. Okay. I'm not rushing anywhere, guys. Okay, I'm going with very slow and properly over there. So what I'm expecting, guys, please try to make a logic at your end. Okay. Then afterwards we will have a discussions over this. Okay. Take a 5 minutes to understand these things, guys, how we should approach for the same. Chalega? Please, guys, try to do these particular things. Yes, guys. Chalo. We'll start discussing these sort of things. Okay, let me walk through with the comment first. Okay, just give me one moment, please. Okay, just a second. Huh? Okay, Mahindra has also put an answer. Okay, perfect. Mahindra has put it one answer. Sure. He is taking the input as an integer, and then he is putting inside the list over there. Perfect. Hopes and count that he is finding it out, and takes input 11 times. So okay, perfect. Um, Sir, can you show the test case again? Yeah, Prajwal, I can show you test cases that things again over. Okay, see the test cases is over here. Okay, over here also we have test case, na? That also we can consider it over. Perfect. Riona is saying test case input is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, hope is what? 10 over there. 10 direct jump here. Okay, and afterwards, yes, one hope is there. Riona, it's perfect. So whatever the test case we have considered is right. Okay, Tanmay is like I've stuck up. Please give some sort of hint. Okay, Tanmay. Okay, we will have discussions for the same as well. Okay, then Vishal. Okay, he is taking some sort of input. Then afterwards, okay, then afterwards it's trying. Okay, I guess we need 11 inputs every time. Yes, yes, Ganesh. We will require 11 inputs every time. Perfect. Chalega. Prajwal Singh is saying all panelists. Okay, perfect. So yes, he has put some sort of things over there. Okay. Okay, Ganesh has put some sort of Java ka answer as well. Perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm just walking through with this. Can we use nested loop for counter that? Yes, we can use that particular things as well. Okay, not any issues. We can use that counter as well. Perfect. Correct. So guys, now we will just walk through with this particular code. After, what about you? Have you got the answer? Yes, Aftab. Yes, Saloni done, na? Perfect, perfect. Chalega. And all the test cases are getting passed, Saloni? Yes, that is also nice. Okay. Chalega. We'll have discussions over there, guys, now. Okay. Just again, I'm just walking through with this. Okay, Chalega. So, guys, first of all, what we should do? Okay. See, over there, they have mentioned some sort of things. That means, okay, you have to have 11 inputs over there. Perfect. Just a second. Okay, just a second. I'm just walking through with the comments part over there. Okay, I'm just walking through the comment part. Okay, Shalega. We'll see that with next case. How we can move ahead with respect to it. Okay, Shalega. So guys, over here, what we should have 11 inputs, and that 11 input has to be appended in the list over. Perfect. So we have to construct a list, guys. Chalo. So we will go with respect to these things. Okay. For that reason, first of all, what we will do is over here they haven't mentioned how many number of queries you have to put it over there. Okay, they haven't mentioned anything. So I'll go with what for I in range of okay 0 से लेके 11 तक जाए. So total how many number of elements will be there? 0 से लेके 10 तक. Okay. The index value should be guys from what 0 से लेके 10 तक. Okay, and we will do one thing. Okay, I'll create a data as a list over here. Okay, we will create a data list over there. Okay, then afterwards we will put up some sort of things. Okay, let us say I wanted to add up these particular things over there. Now guys, how we can add up these things? Can anybody help me out? Simply I wanted to append. Na? So data dot append. Perfect. I'll simply append over here, guys. Perfect. So what I will append, guys? Whatever the input, it's input. Okay, whatever the input that we got, that we will append over here. Print data that we will put. Chale. Now, guys, if I run this particular things, okay, what I'm getting this particular things as an integer value. Perfect. So sorry, string values over there. Perfect. So I want add as an integer over here. Okay, I'll go with integer values at the input side itself. Okay, so if I run this pretty things, I'm getting all this. Now, if you could able to see guys over here, okay, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? End of file, that means out of range जा रहा है. Perfect. So if input is not available, guys, what we should put it over there? Can anybody tell me what I should put over there, guys? Perfect. So how we can target this particular thing, guys? If we try to consider these things, guys, how we can target these things? Have you understood my question, guys? I just wanted to have understanding, okay, whether I should go with it or not. Okay, whether I could not able to implement, whether I could not able to put it over there, guys. What should we do? How to understand this thing? How we can append this particular one over? Chalega. So, guys, basically, what we need to have. No, my question is, guys. My question is, see over here. The question is very simple. This standard error we have. Perfect. How many number of input we are providing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over there. But how many required over there, guys? We will require 11. Got it? Yes. Perfect. So 11 step has to be implemented over there. Perfect. But suppose, guys, if we are providing 5 input only, if we are providing 5 input, then we are getting such kind of error over there. Na? This kind of error over there. Then we will should we consider this particular condition, guys? Okay, or we should not consider. Basically, what is happening, I will take over here. What we are getting, guys, append input. Okay, end of file when reading a line. Okay, so guys, EOF error over there. Will this split function work? Yes, guys, split function will work over there. Yes, I have given the 11 ka range over there. Na? Because what A says, A equals to 11. That is size of an array. It has to have, it should have, according to constraint. Yes, according to constraint. My question is, guys, according to constraint, we should have 11 elements over. And if someone is trying to provide less than 11 elements, guys, that time how we should go with it? Have you understood my question, guys? Everybody? Yes, Ganesh, I will pass that particular things. Okay, I will definitely pass up over there. Okay, I'll pass on if case are okay, if that particular condition. But see, suppose my input is empty. Suppose my input is empty. Okay, okay. Length of data, nahi na beta. Rohan, what I'm asking actually. See, suppose in any one of the test case, somebody has tried to put less than given elements. Okay, so how we should work with it? Six more element, adding six more element will definitely work. No doubt for the same. Okay, adding six more element, definitely it will work. No doubt for the same. But how we should work with it? That I want to ask. चलो मैं क्या करता हूँ देखो अभी यहाँ पे ना कुछ और भी एलिमेंट्स है दैट एलिमेंट्स आई सिंपली पुट इट so how many 3 plus 6 9 10 and then 11 some sort of so if I run this particular things now see guys I got this particular input over that is right but somebody is trying to put up over there less than that particular input okay input only less then guys how we should deal with this particular scenarios okay just think on that particular scenario okay just think on it okay I'll not go with that particular scenarios okay एक काम करते हैं. We'll go with the 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. If I run this particular thing, I'm getting this to now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what I will do, 3, 3, 6, 9. Okay, we have all these particular things here. Now we will simply delete it. Okay, चलेगा. So everywhere, guys, we got perfect output. Okay, sure. Now, guys, over here, we will definitely we will not go with this particular output over here. Output has to be different now. Okay, so this particular one answer is right. Okay, I'll go with this particular thing. Okay, according to this, guys, what should be the answer now? Can anybody help me out, guys? Two. Okay, one. And afterwards, we have to go with the four. One, two, three, four. Okay, perfect. So, guys, what we have? Two, one, one, four, seven, five. So one, two, three, four, and five. One, two, three, four, and five holes. Perfect. So guys, answer is what for this particular one? Can anybody tell me? Just a second. I'm just erasing all this. Answer is what? It has to be five over there. Perfect. It has to be five. Perfect. So guys, now everybody understood these things. Chalo. We will take this particular one, guys. Okay. Perfect. Chalo. Take it down. Three. Over here, seven. One, two, three, four, five, six, and then seven. So what we have? Three, seven, and then seven. So how many hopes are there? There are two hopes. Yes, there are two hopes. Yes, perfect. Sure. Now we will go with this previous scenarios. Okay, we will take this down. One. Okay, we have 2 over there. Then. We have 4. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 1 over. Perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Perfect. So guys, again we will have hope of what? 5. Perfect. Sure. So guys, we have created all the test cases correct over there. Okay. Yes. Perfect. If we want, we can have change as well. Okay, then later on, if we are stucking up this scenarios. Sure. Now guys, chalo, now can you just help me out, guys? What should I do over? Can you just tell me what should I put over here, guys? So I have taken input. Okay, input inside this particular one. That is everything is fine. Okay, chalega. Now next thing is what? Okay, okay. Akshay has put at some sort of things over there. Okay. Huh. So guys, basically what he is telling us. Okay. कंस्टेंट बेस के ऊपर आ जा. Sure. So guys, basically what I will do, I'll simply go ahead with this particular scenarios. Okay, Akshay has put it some sort of answer over there. Okay, he has put it some sort of clue. That means ki this way I will try to work with it out. Okay. So over here, so guys, maximum suppose if we try to work with this particular scenarios, guys, maximum how many number of hope can be over there? Okay, just a second. Huh? Swaroop has putted some sort of things over there. Okay, Swaroop has putted. Which one, Swaroop? No, no, no. But which test case you want me to? Values like 233. Okay. Yeah, please just put up over there, na? Which I wanted to change. Test case number as well as what changes I have to do. Okay, just put up over there. We will definitely put that things. Chalega? Now, see guys over here, what I wanted to discuss out. Okay. I'll just go ahead with this particular scenarios. Okay. Okay. Test case 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I'll go with this particular scenario. Yes. Now it is fine, na? Chalega. So, guys, over here, we'll try to work with this particular scenarios. First of all, guys, if we think with respect to any kind of things, so maximum possible hopes are how much? Maximum hope that we can consider it over. I'm just talking in general. Suppose everywhere if I'm putting 1 1 1 1 1 1, that is the minimum, guys, we can put it over there. Perfect. Chalega. So yes, Ritu, perfect. Yes, everybody is right, guys. So what we need to have? Okay, no Rutuja, 5 not. It is a 10. Okay, so the reason behind it is what? Suppose if I put 1 1 1 1. Okay, so and so forth. So what will happen? That I can put na Rutuja. So over here I will jump 1 1 1. So how many number of hope it is possible? 10 hopes are there. Perfect. Sure. So for that reason, what should I do? Yes, clear, na? Perfect. So basically, guys, for that reason, I'll do one thing. Can I use while or should I use, guys, for loop over there only? While. Perfect. I'll go with the while loop के साथ, guys. While loop का condition what it says. Okay, let us say I'll go with, guys, over here. Okay. What I will do, hope equals to, let us say 0 रखते हैं हम लोग पहले यहाँ. And afterwards, hope is less than 10. Condition is true. The condition is, guys, true over there. Perfect. So what I will do over here, okay, I'll just simply take one thing, that is whatever the hope we have. Perfect. So guys, basically what I will do first of all, okay, जो भी कुछ value of this data, okay, data ka always first of all I have to take a zeroth value. First of all I will take this for the zeroth value. Okay, I'll get some sort of step. I'll get some sort of step over there. Okay, now this step has to be work with some sort of things, guys. Okay, perfect. अभी एक step कहाँ पे और किसके साथ workout होना चाहिए? Can anybody help me, guys? See, basically we are going to do, guys. I'll just tell you one thing. Okay, just like 1 2 3 2 6 and so forth. Perfect. Just try to understand this thing, guys. We have one perfect, that is zeroth element. Yes, that we have targeted. Now, guys, this is what step 1. Okay, so we have taken the value inside it, that is a step 1. Okay, now we have to add these things. Where we will add up these things, guys? Okay, we will add inside this step ना. So यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ उसका changes करना है, guys. So value at that particular instance, guys, that I have to take it out. Perfect. So basically what I will do, I will simply go ahead with the I equals to 0 at initial stage group. Perfect. I equals to 0, that I will put. I'll get a step. Okay. Once I get this particular step, guys, what I should do, I should go with the hope के साथ. Okay, ये जो भी कुछ hope था ना 0. Okay, over here I will put some sort of things. Okay, so let us say hope equals to this step over. Perfect, that we are adding up. Now, guys, this step. Okay, अभी मुझे क्या करना है, guys? I have to move with the next step के साथ. Perfect. I have to move with the next step. Should I go with the value of this particular one inside the step? Or चलेगा, देखते हैं ना, guys. Okay, we will see, guys, over there what we should do actually over there. Okay, Mehtab Ali is saying we will go with this program because maximum 10 it is na. So yes, Mehtab Ali, yes, you are right. Okay, or else simply we can put it over here in this particular way. Okay, none of the same thing. Perfect. Chalega. Perfect. So guys, over here we have done these things. Okay, now what I will do, I need to change this particular value over here. So मैं क्या करूँगा? Whatever the value of I is there, na, that value will get, okay, added by whom? This particular step के साथ. So guys, I am just thinking I should not go with this particular scenario. Okay, the reason behind it is what? ओके नहीं, होप के साथ तो मुझे जाना ही पड़ेगा ना. So step is a data inside that particular value. So data के साथ मुझे क्या करना है? I don't have to work with the data over there. So data से तो मुझे jump करना है. Okay. See guys, over here what we have, 1 and then 2. Okay, there we have 2 over there. Guys, I will not add up these particular things. I will simply go ahead with whom? I'll simply go ahead with this step equals. Okay, perfect. So guys, should I add or should I go ahead with this particular scenario? Can you just tell me one thing? My objective is what? My objective is what? Initial पे वो 0 से start होना चाहिए. Okay, we got 0th over here. Okay, we got some sort of value as a step. Whatever the value we will get guys, that we will put it over here. Okay, and yes, अभी तक hope क्या है? Hope की value is less than this things guys. Okay, so what I will do, I will add up hope here by 1. Okay, hope को 1 से add up कर देते हैं हम लोग guys. And now what I will do, I'll take a step, whatever the step it is, that is 1. Okay, that I will put inside I. Now guys, what will happen, I'll go with the while loop. Okay, while loop may, okay, 1 is less than 11, that is perfect. Okay, now value of I is what? The step of the previous over there, that is 1. Okay, so I will go with guys 2. Okay, over here I will get what? 1 ना, तो फिर यहाँ पे वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी मुझे? अभी 2 मिलेगी. Okay, hope will added by 1 over there. Okay, so I'll go with the hope over here. Okay, then afterwards I'll go with step again. Step is what? 2. Okay, so I will move with respect to 2 steps over there guys. Perfect. ना अभी यहाँ पे guys तकलीफ आ गया मुझे. So over here guys, step is equals to 2, so I have to add those particular things. क्योंकि 2 plus 2, that is over there. So guys, I have to add these particular things. What you say? Paras. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, we have to add up these particular things guys. Once we add up these things ना, okay, one this particular condition is get satisfied guys. Okay, हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसके पास? Hope के पास चले जाए. That hope whatever we have, that we will print it out, because this hope is going to give us some sort of data over there guys. What do you think? This is the right one or should I change some sort of things guys? This one is the right. Okay, up till now the we are feeling it, this one is the right over there. Okay, suppose if you are finding it out, anything is wrong. Okay, Sarah is saying while, okay, step will not be incremented. Step, step. I did not understand which line number you are talking about. Line number 10th. Okay. Sarah is saying step will not be incremented. Yeah, we will increment that particular things, na, but later on. I'm doing that line number 12. Okay, you are asking question. I thought you were telling me something. Okay, okay. Prajwal is putting some sort of things. Sir, while loop in each case will print 11. How? Okay, I think should become instead of while condition instead of hope. Okay, so we should put over here, guys. What step you wanted to say? Should we put up a step over here? Okay, so incremental factor is what? Step. So we will go with what guys over here as a step. Chalega. Chalo. So step is not defined somewhere. Okay, so I have to go with the steps के साथ. करो, पुट अप करो स्टेप को भी as equals to 0. Perfect. Now it will work. Akshay is saying hope is right. Perfect. So like, do one thing, guys. Okay, we will go with these things and we will try to go ahead with it. Okay, we are getting some sort of out of index case over here. चलेगा. So now I'll go with the hope के साथ. Hope के साथ एक बार check करके देख लेते हैं what is happening. Okay, then too we are getting out of index. Okay, when it is getting out of index, guys, step के साथ. Okay, perfect. Okay, so basically, guys, whenever we will add up this particular things now, that time it will go out of these things. Perfect. So what we should do over there, guys? Where this particular one? Kaushik, you are talking about this data length के साथ आप लोग बात करें. Okay. Okay, Aftab has put it some sort of a slicing over there. That is a max. Then afterwards, whatever the steps is there, that steps का उसने, okay, he has put it one से लेके जो भी कुछ value बनते जाएगा. Okay. Instead of hope, what he has put it, he has suggested me one thing. Okay, we will try to put up some sort of web page. Just a second, huh? Just a second. If I put up over here data dot length, so data dot length, it is a fix you will get 11 over there, na Kaushik. Data dot length is what? Data के अंदर कितने elements है अपने पास? 11 elements are there. So we are not adding up somewhere, guys. That things. Okay. Chalika. So we will go with the hope over there. Okay. Then afterwards we got these things. Okay. Now whatever the data we are taking, guys. Okay. Chalo. That is a hope we are getting. So instead of this, what I will do, suppose if I add a step over here. Okay. We will add up the step over here. Chalega. Then now, if we go ahead with this thing, then if I try to run this query, guys, okay, we are getting 15 over there. That problem get removed, guys. Okay, so whatever the problem we were facing with regards to these things, okay, that get removed. So over here, what I will do, guys, instead of doing this particular things now, step equals to 0, put it as a count. Okay, और यहाँ पे अगर मैं count apply कर दूंगा, +1, and if I put a count over here, guys, what do you think? If I run this particular things, then okay, this last one is what? The third one, 3. Okay, just a second, guys. I'll take down this particular one. 3 we have. Okay, then afterwards we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. This is the last one. Okay, so 7 के बाद ये वापस jump करना चाहेगा ना, but this is the last element over there. Okay, Ganesh is saying some sort of way pay. If step is greater than 11, okay, we need to break that particular one. Okay, chalega. So I'll try to work with this particular scenarios. Okay, that things you are talking about, na Ganesh. Okay, the step. Okay, suppose step is greater than 11. Okay, we will simply break it. Yeah, this one you wanted to speak up some sort of pattern. Actually, if I go ahead with these things, but then too we are getting 3 output over. So what you will do, guys, over here? So our interpretation is wrong, or whatever the things which we have done, that is wrong, guys. Yes, can anybody help me out, guys? Sorry. Okay. Okay, guys, I was on mute actually. I got sneezing. Na? That is the reason I was on mute. Okay, but okay, chalega. Yes, so guys, over here Rohini has put some sort of things, so in while we should do. Okay, so I have put this particular things I over there. Rohini, see, then afterwards, if you try to increment hope by one, okay, hope by one, so that same thing we are doing, and I'm printing this count. Chalo. So I will not take care of that two things, okay, that hope increment ka. But what should be the value of I? I का value किससे हम लोग increment करेंगे? It is incremental by this, again step से increment हो रहा है. It will take 8 after 7. Perfect. Yes, Sahil. So basically what happened? 3, okay, 1, 2, and 3 over here. Okay, then afterwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we got 3, 7, and 7 over there. Perfect. This one is the right answer. So basically answer is what this particular. Chalega. So okay, Divakar is saying if step equals to, okay, that is 11, then we will go with the break. Okay, Chalega, if I go ahead with these things, okay, then too it is not working fine over there, guys. Okay, okay, let's just think, go with this particular things. Okay, Ganesh has put it some sort of things, guys. Okay, Ganesh has put it one thing कि count के अंदर, okay, so basically I के साथ वो कुछ workout करना चाहता है, then afterwards what he is suggesting, we will go with the count के साथ. चलो count I'm printing, चलो I'll go with this particular things only. Okay, but what is saying कि जो भी कुछ hope है ना अपने पास, जो भी कुछ data आ रहा है, okay, that data is nothing but a step that I'm putting over here, and this hope is greater than equals to, this hope is greater than equals to ऐसा कुछ. Okay, and if I go ahead with this things now, run all the test cases, and this is passing over. Okay, this one is passing. Yes, Ganesh, that is perfect. So basically guys, what we have done, that hope is greater than equals to 10. Okay, maximum hope that we can put it over here, how much? 10 na. Okay, so guys, have you understood these things? Now guys, for betterment, I'll request you, can you just put up me any other test case, guys? Can you put up some sort of any test case, any random test case, guys? Please give it to me, na? So that we will try to work with that particular scenarios as well. Aftab, are you there? Okay. No, give me total 11 things. Okay, chalega. I got one input over there, guys. Okay, perfect. So I'll go with these things: 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ऐसे कुछ है. Just a second, ना. 2, 1. Okay. 3 5. What happened here? Okay, I was talking with respect to different. 2 3 4 6 2 3 4 6 7 3 4 7 2 3 4. Okay, 3 3 6 3 9 10 11. Perfect, guys, over there. Perfect. We will take care of these particular things. Okay, then one by one we will go with it. Okay, one by one we will go with it. So guys, over here, if we try to work with these things, we will have 2, then afterwards 4. 1 2 3 4 over there. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what we have, guys? 2 4 4 4 over there. Perfect. So guys, over here 1 2 3. So this one is what, guys? 3 over here. Perfect. Chalega. If we try to run this particular one, it is getting failed over there because expected is what? 3. Chalega. Now it has to be right answer, guys. Okay. Perfect. So guys, have you understood these things? Should we try one more? Okay, I'll take care. I'll take one more thing, guys. Okay. Okay, we will take one more thing, guys. 3 2 3 2 1 4 3 5 2 5 6 1 1. Okay, 3 2 1 4 3 5 2 5 6 1 1. Okay, चलेगा 3 6 9. Yeah, perfect. So guys, if you look at this things, what should be the output? 3 over here. Okay, 1 2 3 over here. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. Okay, चलेगा. So guys, over here 3 4 5 1. So over here 3 hopes are there, guys. Okay, chalega. If I go ahead with this things, 3 hopes will be there. Okay, just run the test case over there, guys, and it is passing. Perfect. Guys, have you understood? Everybody? Yes. Understood now, guys. Perfect. Okay, you want me to check, show this second test case? Just check with this second test case. Yeah, please check with this, guys. Yes, welcome. Perfect, guys. Sure. So, guys, now we will move with the next question. I have shared this particular code in a chat box as well. Okay, I'm giving this particular code for YouTube people also. Okay, just go ahead with these things. Okay, guys, basically now I'm facing issues with regards to 11 and 10. That it just okay. I'll go with this thing. Data takka. Guys, I'm giving you part by code in YouTube section. Take this particular one, guys. Okay. Chalega. So I have shared this particular code, guys, both the sides. Now we will go with the guys next question. Okay. So somewhere, guys, question are very easy, and somewhere if you could able to see the question was quite interesting and then difficult as well. Okay. So guys, whenever you are creating this particular things, okay, by your own, that time it is very tricky and very easy to understand that things as well. Okay. Yes, some sort of API, guys, we have to put some more extra efforts whenever we are creating these things or our own environment. Okay. Yes, we have to put much more efforts over. Chale. But guys, whenever you put such efforts over there, now you could able to understand many more things. So guys, now we will go with this frequency. Write a program to find the sum of all characters, okay, of all possible contiguous characters combinations. Okay, so guys, first of all, we should understand what do you mean by contiguous. Write a program to find the sum of all characters and all possible contiguous characters combinations from the given string. Consider the string, okay, 3 2 1 over there, guys. Perfect. So all character combinations, contiguous characters about what, 3 2 1, then afterwards 3 2 2 1 3 2 1. Okay, adding all numbers, what you will get, 380 is the result over there. Perfect. So what we have, 3 2 1. So guys, we know very well how they have created the combinations over there. Okay, that combinations we have to generate and then we have to put it inside the sum over there. Now guys, over here we have input, that is a 12, output is a 15 over there. The reason behind it is what, 1 2 and afterwards 12 over there. Perfect. So that means guys, what we have 3 plus 12, that is a 15. Understood guys, everybody? There is a 380. Yeah guys, this is a 380. Just a second. Yes guys, have you understood this particular question? Please tell me. Yes, everybody understood, na? Perfect. Now guys, we will go with this constraint over there. The input string contains only integer numbers without any space. Okay, perfect. The length of input string is less than 5. Okay, whatever the input string is, that should be less than 5. Perfect. So guys, I hope you people understood these things. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just going through with this program, guys. Okay, I'm creating a new question over there. That is a question 6. Okay, just a second, huh, guys. I'll go with what? Code. Just a second. Just a moment, please. Code 6.py. Okay, and we will require that create a problem over there. Okay, 3 2 1. Okay, expected answer is what, 380. We will create one more thing, that is 1 2. Okay, its answer should be 15 over there. Perfect guys. Can I have guys some sort of custom inputs from your end, custom test cases from your end? Anybody? Aftab, Ashna, can you give me some sort of custom inputs, custom test cases के लिए? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So with respect to constraint, the input length string should be less than 5. Okay, so let us say over here I'll put up -1 case answer. Okay, perfect. Test case is this particular one. Okay, I'll go with the test case 4 3 2 1. Okay, so guys, if I go ahead with this particular 4 3 2 1, okay, Vaishnavi has also put some sort of thing 0 1 2. Okay, 0 1 2 guys, then what should be the output for the same? What should be the expected output for this particular one? Can you just tell me? 4 3 2 1 का output, Himanshu? 106? नहीं ना बेटा. How 106 will be there, Himanshu? Because see, if you look at this particular thing, okay, what you will have, 4 3 2 1 and afterwards 43 भी आएगा, 42 भी आएगा, 41 भी आएगा and afterwards 432 भी आएगा, 431 भी आएगा and afterwards what we have 4321. Okay, so definitely it has to be more than this. Perfect. Okay, so output for this particular one 4395. Nah, it has to be greater than this side. Okay, 5180. I'm not pretty sure about this particular one, guys. Okay, what about this particular one, guys? Its answer should be 15 only. Perfect. Then afterwards we have one more test case, that is what 545. Okay, and its answer will be, guys, 658 over. Perfect, Shalika. So total test cases 6 we have created, or else anybody has put it. Yes, Prajwal also put it 729. Okay, he has put it efforts now, so I don't mind to put it over here. 729 and afterwards 848. Shalika. So guys, yes, we have put these things. Tejas has also put it some sort of things. So 225, okay, and afterwards 281. Okay, that will be very perfect. After you have put it 5 characters over there. Perfect inside the input string. So if it is a, see what constants is. So output will be -1. So what I will do after, I'll take this particular thing 1, 3, 2, 4, 6. Okay, and as the output side, I will put the minus. Perfect, Aftab. Have you understood? Yes, chale. So guys, over here we have put it all these test cases. Okay, this time we have taken a lot of inputs, guys. Okay, chale. Please try to work with this particular logic, guys. Okay, just please try to work on this rough logic initial level के ऊपर. Now, Aftab, see over here. If you could able to see now, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And afterwards, 32, 31. 3 to 1 is also has to be over there. Na? So if you talk about the 2 to 5, then afterwards 2, 2, 5, okay, will be there. And afterwards 22, 25 plus 2 to 5 as well. Na? Okay, so this one is. So whatever you have put it, this one is 9, that is right. 9 plus 22 plus 25 plus 2 to 5. This is right one. Chaliga, guys, please try to identify its logic. Yes, Ruchika, I can show you this constraint as well. Okay, just go ahead with this constraint. So constraint is what input has to be only numbers. Okay, that string has to be only numbers. Okay. Sarah, mod 10 ka, yes, for finding out unit place, definitely we can go ahead with it. Perfect. Yes, for finding it out, unit place, definitely we can put up this prefix. But what we need to have that particular things ना कि अभी अपने पास देखो क्या होना चाहिए. Let us say 3, 2, 1 is there. So what we can do, mod 10 के हिसाब से अगर देखते हैं ना हम लोग, so we will get this particular one. Okay. So just a second. Mod 10 का अगर अगर हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. Okay, so I'll go with the calculator. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Mod, यहाँ पे mod. So what should I do, guys? Over here, I have to go with the some other thing. Okay, I'll go with the inspect console 321 mod of. Okay. So I'm getting unit place over there. Perfect. I'm getting unit place every day. So what we will do next time, ke saath? Okay, so by this particular things, okay, what you will do 321. Okay, floor division by 10. Okay, perfect. Floor division by 10 that you will apply. Okay, and then accordingly you will get some sort of things. So 32 you will get. Okay, then afterwards 3 you will get. Okay, that is inside while loop. If you move ahead, then perfect. You will get this particular things as. So if you try to apply these particular things, just like make sure whether you could able to succeed with respect to this or not. Because guys, what we want answer is what 1 sorry 3 2 1. This is the individual numbers. Then afterwards we will require 32. We will require 20 21 also 21. So in my case, just tell me one thing, how you could able to work with this. See, 32 you will get, guys. 32 you will get. But how you could able to get this 21? How you will target this 21? But definitely over here, then how you will put that particular things in a logic? ओके देन वो लॉजिक में किस तरीके से आ जाएगा. चलो मॉड 10 के साथ हम लोगों ने वर्कआउट किया, मॉड दिस थिंग्स के साथ वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं आप. ओके, मॉड 100 के साथ आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो. Yes, Samir, that you're right, but you will get it. Then we have to deal with this scenario as well. मतलब आप नंबर के साथ भी वर्कआउट करोगे एंड उसके मॉड के साथ भी वर्कआउट करोगे. ओके, मॉड फैक्टर जो भी कुछ आप लोग यहाँ पे रख रहे हो. तो डोंट यू थिंक दैट विल बी टू हेक्टिक एंड टू टीडियस वन? Or else if you could able to do that things, okay, please try to do with it. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just discussing some sort of things with you guys. Okay, I'm not telling you just go, you have to go with this particular thing zone. Okay, yes, Divakar is saying some sort of thing. Mod will not be applied to 4-digit number. Yes, Divakar. Let us say, okay, so Divakar has put it one example as also. But if in the case where we will needed, okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yeah. So guys, what Divakar says and whatever he has put it, that is the right thing again. Okay, just I will discuss with you all. So whenever we are, हमेशा यही आ रहा है मेरे पास 4 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Suppose guys, if I go with the mod of 10 these things, okay, I'm getting this 1 over there. Now, guys, if we look at this thing, just a second, let me erase some sort of things over here. If you think with respect to this, what will happen, guys? 4, 3, 2, 1. Then afterwards, we will require 43, 42, 41. Okay, then afterwards, we will require 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1 also. And afterwards, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is all the pair of combinations. Okay, how you could able to apply these particular things, guys, using mod of 10, then afterwards working with these particular scenarios? You could able to work with this particular same? Because see, in between क्या था अपने पास, मुझे ना एक कंडीशन में क्या चाहिए, दो नहीं चाहिए, that two I don't want, I want 4, 3, 1. See, 4, 3, 1 over here. So how I can bring up that with these? Ah, 31, 32. Yeah, okay. I missed out that. Sorry, it's my bad. Okay, 32 and 31 also. Okay, sorry, it's my bad. I missed that particular sequence. Okay, so guys, how to deal with this particular one? Can anybody help me out? Yeah, okay. 21 also. 21 also, Shreya. Perfect. तो शायद से guys 4321 जो भी कुछ टेस्ट केस है ना अपने पास, okay, just take care of this particular answer, हाँ? Okay. Okay, Nikita. Okay, just a second, guys. Then I'll need to check with this particular question one more time. Okay. So guys, what they have mentioned, just a second. Just look at this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so they are mentioning 3, 2, 1. Okay, perfect. Then afterwards, 32, 21. Take minute. 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, plus 32 plus 21 plus 3. Perfect, guys. This is 1. This one is the right answer. Okay, I'll discuss with the constraint के साथ आज. Okay. Yes, Nikita, right. Whatever you say is na, that is the right one over there. Perfect. You have spotted right things. Okay, constraint is what? The length of input string should be less than 5. Okay. And the input string contains only integer numbers without any space. These are the two constraints. Okay, Divakar? Perfect. So guys, how we should go with this particular one? Can you just tell me? So guys, in 431 के साथ कैसे आ जाएगा? I will discuss it out some sort of way. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, अगर हम लोग इसके साथ देखते हैं ना, so we will get what? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and afterwards we will require 43. Okay, we will require 43. Okay, 42 is not required over there. It's perfect. Then afterwards we will go with what? 32. Okay, and afterwards we will go with what, guys? 21. Okay, that is all 2 digits carry regard. Perfect. After these things, okay, I'll do one thing. 32 over here, 21 over here. Okay, for betterment. Now, let's 4, 3, 2 that we will require. 3, 2, 1. Okay, then afterwards 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is what all required guys. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely fine. So if we add up this particular thing, guys, what should be the answer? Okay, this answer. Okay, and we have put it inside this particular one. Okay, this particular one is the right one. Yes, perfect. So guys, I think we are good to go with this particular things. Okay, and everybody understood, guys, what exactly we have to do. Now, guys, we stuck up with the logic. So what should we do? Okay, three over there. Okay, just a second. Just a second. Let me start annotations. Then I will go with the control C KSR. Okay, perfect. Because see, if you could able to observe over here what all the combinations are there. The next place adjustment they are going. Next place adjustment there. Okay, perfect. So Mahima is saying three loops will require. Guys, we will require three loops or we will require four loops or we will require two loops only. Yes, anybody guys? Yes, YouTube people, have you understood? People from YouTube. Chalega. So guys, what should I do over here? Yes, Mehta Wali, Aftab, Saloni, are you there? Yes, almost done, na? Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. These people are doing, guys. So please, guys, give a try to solve this particular one. Please give a try. नहीं आयुषी 41 नहीं आएगा उसके साथ actually the logic says whenever you go for the combinations whenever you go for the combinations that time we are going with what next adjustant only. Okay, next adjustant only हम लोग just follow this particular pattern. Yes guys, please try to put up your logic. So guys, yesterday's question were too easy, na? Today's questions are difficult, little difficult. Like not difficult actually, guys. Somewhere it is a tricky that I will say. Yes, Aftab, are you there? Yes, people from YouTube they could able to understand, I guess. Yes, Ganesh, perfect, perfect, Ganesh. Guys, please give a try, huh? YouTube people, you also please give a try for this. Aftab is there or not? I need to check it out. Yeah, Aftab is there. Yes, yes. Yeah. Yes, guys. What happened? Yes, solving Aftab, Saloni. Yes, 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 yes. Solving. No, please solve it, guys. Please solve it. If you wanted to have test case, guys, I can show you the test cases also. Okay, just go ahead with the test cases. Yes, Aftab. What is status? Yes, Saloni. Okay. Chalega. Trying na? Yes. Done na? Perfect. Perfect, Saloni. Chalega. So, guys, can we start discussing its answer? What do you think? Or you wanted to try? Okay. Three test cases are getting failed. Okay. Third test case. Okay. Only third test case. This particular one, na? Saloni? and fifth test case is getting failed too. Okay, chale. So I'll show you constant one more time. Okay, you wanted to see constant, na? Perfect. The constant is this one. Answer of 0, 1, 2. Okay, I haven't checked with that with the Sahid. Okay, just let me check with respect to it. Okay, so guys, answer of this 0, 1, 2. Okay, Sahil is saying answer is a 28. Okay, we will check it out. We will just check it. So 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, then afterwards, should I go with the 0, 1, 2? Okay, all test cases are passed, na? Perfect. So Saloni, yeah, 0, 1 as well. Okay, 0, 1. We will take 0, 1 case as well. Yes, Saloni, what answer you have taken down for this particular one? Okay, just check it once. Okay, so guys, 0, 1, 2. Okay, for this 0, 1, 2, what will the answer? What will the answer? 0, 1, and 2 over there. Perfect. Then afterwards 1, 2 and 0, 1. Perfect. And afterwards 0, 1, 2. This particular. Yes. So guys, finally answer should be what? 28. Sorry, 24. 24 plus how much it is? 4 over there. So that is 28. The answer is 28 over there. So this test case has to be replaced with the 28. Perfect. Chalega. I hope guys it is clear. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Then it is right. Chalega. So guys, just look at other test cases as well, whether it is fine or not. Okay. Now guys, just check any test case is getting failed or not. Okay. Paras is saying now all the test cases are getting passed. Perfect. Perfect, Paras. Chalega. So guys, basically, what approach you people have put it? Can you just have discuss? Can we just have discussions over here? Sure, we will take an input string. Okay, let us say 0, 1, 2 over there. Okay, we have taken this particular one. Now we have to put some sort of things, guys. Okay, once we taken down these things, we will have what length of this particular one. Okay, we will find out length of this. Then afterwards, इसमें से जो भी कुछ length आ जाएगा, guys, that is what 3 length will be there. If suppose we put inside a range, then what we will get 0, 1, 2, so that we can have these things as well. Perfect. Now afterwards, okay, some of the list you are taking. Should we go with the list, guys? Okay, chalega. We can go with the list as well. Okay, we will go with the list. Perfect. So what we will do, guys, over here. Okay, append करेंगे उसके साथ, and then afterwards we will work with this scenarios. So I'm clearing this particular one, guys. Okay, first of all we will take a input. Okay, let us say data equals to input. If we take, okay, sorry, data over here. If we read this particular one, guys, okay, so what is happening? Okay, एक करके सब test cases fail हो रहा है. Perfect. So guys, we are getting all these particular things. Okay, now what I will do, I'll put up over there, that is a answer list equals to, that is empty list that we will create, and afterwards for I in a range of, okay, range of, guys, कहाँ तक? 0 से लेके लेंथ डेटा तक चले जाएंगे हम लोग. Okay, we will go with respect to this. and then afterwards answer list dot. Okay, what we will do, guys, we will simply append that particular things. कहाँ पे append list of I over here. Okay, and if you print this particular things, answer list. Okay, just run it down. Okay, we got, guys, over here. यहाँ पे तो फिर I need to put it over here, that is integer values. Okay, that since it is a input as an integer we have to type. Perfect. First of all, guys, we got all these particular things. Now that fifth test case कहाँ पे गई अपने पास? Okay, this particular one. Okay, it is also right. Now what should I do, guys? What should I do once I have this particular thing? Yes, anybody? Okay, perfect. So what I will do, whatever the input that we are taking, so if data length of this particular one is less than 5, then only we will go with these things. Okay, or else we will print else we will print -1 over. चलेगा. If I run this particular thing, guys, none of the test cases getting passed. Okay, ये भी आ रहा है ना अपने पास. Okay, एक टेस्ट केस, दो टेस्ट केस पास हो गया, guys. That is -1 वाला. Okay, that is not a big deal. Perfect. चलो, go ahead with these things, guys. So afterwards, what I will do, I'll simply go ahead with these things, guys. Okay, over here. Okay, I'll put a profile. If I try to run this things, yes, Saloni has put it one more for loop we will require. Perfect, Saloni. We will require one more for loop. That is what एक काम करते हैं. I'll go with the for loop over here. Okay. There we will call it, as you said, j in a range of. Okay. और इसका range क्या रहेगा? Okay. Should I go ahead with this particular thing? Okay. Actually, she has put it some sort of other way, guys. Okay. What she says कि अगर हम लोग ने ऐसे कुछ वर्कआउट किया तो फिर अपेंड हो रहा है ना, गाइस, ओवर हियर. सो वंस वी go with this particular thing ना, guys. Okay, मैं क्या करूंगा? Range from I. Okay, we will start with up to range data. Then afterwards again we will append this product, guys, but this time we will append with respect to j. Okay, something अगर मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ करके देखा, guys. Okay, I do not know whether it will give me the right answer or not. Okay, so we will give some sort of things, guys. We will get some sort of things. But guys, this is not working at all. The reason behind it is what? I'm just putting j over there, but over here what I should have, I. अरे वाह. Yes, we are getting somewhere empty aspects. Just a second. Huh? Yes, Piyush, done, na? Perfect. So guys, if you could able to see over here, we got this 432. Okay, and अगर इस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो guys, we will require one more for loop. So जितने number of requires, उतने number of for loop we will require more things. Okay, चले. So we will not go ahead with this thing, guys. Okay. Now if you go ahead with it, okay, what we will get? We will get some sort of things के ऊपर जिसके अंदर, okay, yes, we are getting this particular. So what I will do, guys, over. Okay, यहाँ पे ना Saloni has put it some sort of things. That is what we will go with start from तो I करेंगे, okay, but ये जाएंगे कहाँ तक, जब तक j plus 1, okay, that she says something, okay, likewise, just a second. That is data. Perfect, Saloni? Yes, Swarup, I will share this PPT as well. Now, if we go ahead with these things, guys, okay, we are getting some sort of combinations over there. Perfect. That is 3. Then afterwards 32, 312. We got 2, 21, and as well as 1 guys. Perfect. Yes, she has put the right things over there, guys. Afterwards, we will go with integer values over here. So if I put integer 1, okay, it will perfectly fine or not? Yes, we could able to go with these things as well. Now, guys, if I put sum of this list over there, what will the answer? Got it? Yes, Sarah. Till 9 we have this particular session. Okay. Now I'm just winding it up. Okay. Just I will require 4 or 5 minutes more. Okay. To wind this particular scenario. Chalega. Just hold on, guys. Just hold on for a second. Oh. So, guys, have you understood? Yes, everybody. Okay. Mehta, see, Mehta Bali, initially what we have done, we have taken this particular I evaluation. Okay. Perfect. So what I will do, I'll just remove this particular things. Okay, I will run all the test cases one more time. See, basically what we have done. Yeah, I'm sharing this particular code. I'm sharing this particular code for us. Just hold on for a moment. Basically, what we have targeted, we have targeted I ka value. Okay, that is from 0 से लेके length of data तक. Okay, what is the length of data? So whatever the length of data it may be. Okay, it may be 3, 4, 2, 1, anything it could be. Perfect. Then afterward, if it is a more than this, then guys, we are putting -1 directly. Perfect. We have I over there. Then afterwards, after taking this particular I guys, okay, what I'm doing, I'm just taking a data ka length over there. Okay, data ka length. And we are putting that way. So basically what we are doing guys over here, at initial first iterations ke saath, okay, first iteration pe you will get this I equals this. Data length is what? This one. So guys over here you will get a 0. Okay, because data length अपने पास कैसे हो गया बताता हूँ मैं आपको. You will get 0 से लेके up to let us say consider करो these things 3. Okay, so you will get 0, 1, 2 over there. Perfect. Then afterwards what we are doing guys, okay, we are going with the another for loop. Okay, another for loop, that is nothing but what, जो भी कुछ आपके पास है 0, 1, 2, that we are going. Perfect. This is what value of I, this is value of j. Perfect. Now guys, inside the data we are putting, inside the data we are putting 0 से लेके 1 तक चाहिए मुझे. So you will get what, 0 से लेके 1 तक का, so you will get this 3. Okay, so that is the reason we got 3 over there. And afterwards we will get what, 0 से लेके, okay, this j का value will change ना, j का value will become a 1 plus 1, that is a 2. So you will get a 32 over there. Perfect. Now j का value will become guys what, 2 over there. Okay, so here you will get answer as what, 0 से लेके 3. Perfect. So it will iterate up to 2. So that is the reason guys हम लोग को क्या मिल गया, 3, 2, 1. Guys, have you understood Metabali? Got it na? Perfect. So in this particular way we have work. Okay, and guys, if you could able to say, then inside this particular array list we got all this particular data over there. Perfect. Yes, clear na? Perfect guys. Just a second, I just hold on for a moment. I'm just clearing all these particular annotations, and afterwards guys we have put it only sum in front of. Okay, after putting this I have run all the test cases, and one by one all the test cases are running fine. So guys, everybody understood? Yes, Saurabh Joshi. Perfect. Yes, my. Yes, Ganesh, have you understood? Perfect. I'm sharing this particular code with you all. Yes, perfect. So guys, over here, all the test cases we run, that is total 9 test cases that we have created, custom test cases, and everything is working fine for us. So basically, guys, if you practice such kind of questions, or not only this particular questions, guys, you can practice any questions from HackerRank and everything else. Okay, if you practice in this particular way, then that would be always better. And in our training program, we are always training people with respect to test cases only. Yes, those who are from non-IT background, guys, for them I'm going with the basic concepts, then afterwards moving towards the assignments. And those who are from IT, for them we are going with directly assignments sections over. Okay. Yes, Ishika, we will just email you this particular things. Okay, just a second. I'll do that within steps. Please give me 2 minutes only. Just give me 2 minutes only. Okay, I'm giving you that GitHub link so that yes, Shreya, this session is last for technical background. Okay. Now, if you talk with respect to another concepts, then from next Saturday, Sunday, we will have aptitude one. Okay. Perfect. Aptitude colors. Perfect. Just hold on for a moment, guys. I'm just putting this particular things. I'm just initializing this particular one. Okay. I'm just publishing on 17 as well as 18. I'm just pushing all the data, guys, pushing repositories on GitHub. Okay, just hold on for a moment. I'm giving you this complete code over there, huh, guys. I'm making this commit over there. Okay, guys, just check it once whether you got this particular things or not. Okay, just a second. I'm just sharing. Okay, guys, those who are from this particular one, okay, just check this particular one, guys, whether you could able to access this particular things or not. Okay, just a second. I'm just changing its visibility. Just hold on for a moment. Yeah, guys, now just check it once. Just hold on for a moment. Just hold on for a moment, please. Okay, now I could able to check, see this particular things. Okay. Yes, guys. YouTube people, please note down that particular one. Okay, and those who are from these things, yeah, take it down, guys. Okay. Now you people want me to share this PPT as well, na? Just give me one moment, please. That PPT I have to export with the PDF, then afterward. Just give me one moment. Guys, now just confirm me whether you could able to access that GitHub link or not. Yeah, I'll make a repo of that yesterday's wala PPT also, and yes, definitely today as well. I'll just give you right away today's one. There is a changes. Guys, make sure whether you got that particular things or not. Yeah, guys, PPT also I have put it over there. Just make sure you got that particular things or not. PPT is visible. Yeah, day two is uploaded. Na perfect. Day one ka I need to check it out. Okay, I'll just check it out and I'll make sure that particular thing is also okay. You will get it. Perfect. Yes, and people are saying one thing. Can you provide C plus plus also in repo, please? I'll try to do that particular things. Okay, I'll solve that particular scenarios. Actually, previously this questions was not solved anything over there. PPT is not visible. Yeah, just refresh it once, na. First commit that I have put it, then afterwards I have put it next commit as well. Yeah, it's visible. Just refresh that particular things, guys. Okay, perfect, guys. So I hope, guys, everybody received it very well. Okay, Pravlika, Pravlika. Okay, guys, just refresh that particular link. Okay, I'm giving you link one more time. Amber, we will discuss out the things in a session. Huh? We will discuss out the things in session. Okay, you can log in over there, na exam.campuscredential.com, and some upgradations is also going on over there. Okay, perfect. Yes, Mahima, it is visible, na? Perfect. some upgradation at portal end it is going on, so that is the reason guys you may be not able to log in over there, but exam.campuscredential.com you can log in it over there. Okay, what are the credentials you receive? Perfect. Can you show second code from yesterday's test case? Okay, guys, make sure whether you could get that particular things as okay. Just a second. Guys, make sure whenever you are downloading those particular codes, okay, that time that CPH ka extension also activated at your end. Just a second. Guys, I'm just having now formal discussions over here. Okay, if you wanted to be over here, you can be, or else you can leave a class as well. No issues for the same. I'm concluding this particular session over here. Okay, chalega. Yes, what exactly you wanted to have? Code of second. Okay, push to second code चाहिए था आपको. This particular code. Okay, उसका कौन सा टेस्ट केस आपको चाहिए था? Yeah, Prachi, actually, I have already shared that particular codes. No? Question two. Yes. I'll share it over there. This is a day one coding questions. Okay, then day one ka coding questions also I will share. Okay, perfect. Code already I have shared. All right. Yeah, I will share day one ka code as well, guys. Okay, please be on this particular GitHub link. Okay, I will update repo over here as well. Smriti, actually, we will see that things in a session. Okay. In session, I will explain you guys. Okay, if you people having any kind of doubt over there with regards to setup and everything. Okay, inside session, guys, we will have all the discussions over it also. Proper. Chalega? Akanksha, PPT is visible over there. If you go ahead with these things ना, then देखो पाई के फाइल के ऊपर next commit करके अपने पास कुछ तो है. Just try to that I have shared in a PDF format. Huh? That I have shared in a PDF format. It is handling always daily basis. If Smriti, you are from which college? Yes, Smriti. Actually, we are conducting technical sessions as well on daily basis. So those who have registered for them, we are conducting. Okay, and that particular one we are holding all these previous scenarios. Okay, chalega. So guys, over here I'm concluding session for today. Okay, yes, thank you, Mahendra. Okay, welcome, Saloni. Yes, welcome everybody. Thanks a lot, guys. Okay, so yes, on Zoom also, guys. Okay, just a second. I'm sharing this particular link one more time on YouTube as well. Yes, you can check this particular things, guys. Okay. Yes. Prajwal, welcome. Welcome, Himanshu, Akanksha, Saili. Perfect. Yes, Shreya, I will share that particular things on a GitHub itself. Okay, you just have things from there as well. Okay, perfect. Yes, Khyati. Yeah, it's Khyati. Okay. Yes, welcome, guys. Okay, Ruchika, we will say that things. If you are registered with the sessions, na, okay, inside sessions, I will definitely take care of those sort of things. Okay, whoever that may be facing issues with regards to it. Okay, sure. So, guys, I'm concluding session over here. Okay, everybody take care and be safe, and all the best for your TCS preparations as well as TCS exams, guys. And TCS Ninja ka registration also, guys, open till 15th August. Okay, so just click make sure everybody is registering for TCS Ninja as well for batch 2022. Okay, sure, guys, I'm concluding session. Everybody take